Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Lindey. And girl, I hope I'm pronouncing your last name right, but I think you guys will love her channel. She's a wife and a mama, and she does a lot of cleaning and lifestyle videos, so be sure to check her out right after this. I will leave her video down in the description box. If you are coming from Lindey's channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you consider subscribing. So this is our master bedroom, and I have to admit it is the most neglected room in the house. We bought this house about 4 months ago, and it's taking some time to get fully settled, making it into our perfect home. With that being said, you will see mismatched curtains and plain walls. I tend to work on more rooms in the house that people will actually be in. This bed we got from Wayfair, which if I could find it, I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. If I'm being completely honest here with you guys, I do not fix my bed every day. I hardly ever fix my bed just because I'm either rushing in the morning, or Alex is still sleeping when I'm gone, or I'm just really lazy, to be honest. But it feels so nice to have a clean, fresh, nice put bed. And I'm folding this blanket because it's actually a queen size blanket, and we have a king. I haven't gotten around to getting a king size one yet, so kind of looks dumb if I just like lay it flat on there. wipe down the dresser and the nightstands, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's in the apple cider scent. It was from the fall collection. It's still technically fall, even though my house is looking like Christmas already, but I'm just trying to finish that up. And we got this dresser and those nightstands from, I believe, Living Spaces. Again, if I could find it, I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. This little basket here is actually the basket I use to put all of Alex's stuff in that he doesn't like me to put away. I'm just quickly wiping down this TV because this is the TV that's going to stay in our room, but we just need to get a stand that we haven't had the time to get yet. Last, I'm just going to vacuum the room, and I'm using my Dyson V8 Animal, which is always linked in the description box of all of my cleaning videos. And that mark you see in the carpet, the previous owner of the house, she had like a huge rug that left that mark, and we just haven't really had the time to take it out. We're thinking about changing the carpet, but we're not sure yet, so it's just going to chill there until we figure that out. I hope this video gave you guys some cleaning motivation. If you are new or coming from Lindsay's channel, I hope you consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and don't forget to check out Lindsay's channel down below.